Man, say the second hand, man, say they went down there to score, bro. It was like less than a minute. They scored. We came right back and scored right back. They still had like 10 minutes still on the clock. Bars.
Wow. Who did now?
And it was
Who'd
already
y'all play?
the Commanders,
Oh,
Redskins. Oh, it went there. Oh, the smooth operator, Farron. Yeah, that's his team. You hear me? Yeah, I'm waiting on his ass. Don't worry, I got some hashtag for his ass.
yeah. You might want to put in hashtag hiding.
You hear me? I got him. It's okay. Yeah, I made a couple of highlights for his ass. So you already know I gotta ain't gonna follow him the rest of his name. Yes, he
Oh, that's
talking that
funny, man.
shit. They
That's
got a
funny.
spanking. Oh yeah, but he ain't laughing.
It's one thing. It's one thing if you get beat. It's another if you just get spanked like a child. So
Oh, we even
that's a
hurt
whole.
their quarterback.
Oh,
Oh,
wow, man.
oh, how you say? Oh,
Oh, oh, yeah. That's ugly. That's ugly, man.
yeah. But hold
Oh
on,
Lord.
what's so cold about it? He ran his ass to the back real good. Like he could have ran on the field. You hear me?
Right.
But yeah, he didn't want to get back in the game. What boy Shadow, he was scared. He was scared.
Yeah.
He was
Yeah.
scared to pop out. Hey everybody, Nicky Lee just popped on live. You hear me? See, this is notification game. I just seen it. Did you see it pop up on your channel?
I've been having
I
lot.
beat you.
I've been having all kind of. I've been getting notifications from people I haven't got notifications from like a long time ago, and like you,
That
Alice,
should be old as
Nikki.
hell.
Yeah, you, Alice, Nikki, like the people I follow regular. I don't get shit, so I go in regularly and try and check my shit because YouTube's not giving me shit.
They be freezing people's shit. But
Well,
yeah, I
I
see
mean,
she
up
just went
here,
on live. Yeah, cause I know y'all be, it be getting freezed up and shit. So yeah, you gotta catch up. No cap, cause I was like, dang. But yeah, notification game. She just popped on live. Y'all go represent bars. I'm still gonna be here represent me, baby. But yeah, man, I knew you gonna pop out Alaska, man. I'm glad you having a good time, man. Y'all get everything situated, man. We the best YouTube family, man. Bars.
Absolutely, man.
Hey, Spider Pig
What's up?
bars. You
What's up, Spider
already know,
Pig?
man. We the best. Why we chilling with Alaska's in the building, bro? No cap, man. Yeah. Fire in the hole.
Oh, oh, yep, yep, yep. Fire in the hole, my bro.
Let's go. You already knew. I knew it was time. Fire in the
Oh yeah,
hole, baby. I told y'all
yeah.
pop out, rock out, man. You hear me? My motivation. We the best. Yeah, Spider Pig, you hear me? Yeah, y'all better go pay attention to the Spider Pig channel. You hear me? We all about that motivation. You hear me? Yes, sir. Cheers.
This is some motivation vegetation right here.
Yeah, indeed. Bar. Make
Oh
you get
yeah,
your mind right. You hear me?
that's right.
You hit that motherfucker. You hear me? You be ready to slap a motherfucker. You hit that motherfucker. That bitch ain't shit. I'm doing better. You hear me? Yeah, you hear
Yeah,
me?
yeah.
Yeah, when you don't hit that, you ain't getting my joy. They ain't shit. You hear me? Yeah, when you hit that real good, you on about you hit that crazy shit, you on about you crash out. When you hit
Right.
that real shit, it make you just think about real life shit. Like, man, you ain't even worth my joy. You hear me? You mad.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
You mad. You want to be me. You mad. Too bad.
Puff,
You
puff,
get
puff.
none of this
Pass
joy.
means puff, puff. Keep.
You did. We okay, pop up key, cause we ain't get none of this. We
That's
on
right.
our own zone. We solo. It's still COVID.
Yeah.
It's still COVID. Yeah, we don't. You should have had your own money. We solo. Bars. Yeah,
Solo
we
dope.